So the objective of this tutorial is to see how we can transform a simple MS Word document. I have a guide here, a simple one, straightforward. How do we transform or convert this into a website, a shareable link that looks like this? You have a proper uh, website content that you can directly transform from our document. So you have to bear with me in this tutorial because I need to talk about the prerequisites and the limitations that this one has. So stay with me. The first prerequisite that you guys must have is Microsoft Office 2019 and above, or the 365, the entire suite version. Second, make sure that you are logged in. Of course, if you have Microsoft 365, you will be logged in as a user, because only if you are logged in as a user, uh, the transformation link can be generated per the user and you can share it across. So glad we've sorted that out. The first step that you need to know, let's see the navigation first, how you transform it. Then I'll talk about the minute details. So the first thing you need to do, go to File, search for this option called Transform. Click on Transform. Don't confuse it with Export. That's for PDF and other stuff. Click on Transform. Okay. Once you click on that, you're gonna get a pane here. Transform to web page. This gives you options for different kinds of styles that you would like to see. These are just templates. You can change this later on. Once you have transformed, you can apply these styles. So let's just pick something. Let's go with this one. This is called structure. Okay. Select the style, click on transform. Note that this app is known as Sway. This is again Microsoft Office tool like Outlook or Excel or PowerPoint. This is a tool that Microsoft has come up with called Sway. So this converts your document into a web version. This is how it looks, and you have your navigation here. Click on navigation, and you can. This is nothing but your table of contents being generated as navigation. You as a user need to understand that to for this to work smoothly, you need to take care of few details. For example, let's keep jumping between the document and the web page so that we understand the formatting part of it. Now my cover page, the first page looks something like this. How does Sway, the Microsoft, understand that this is my title? It just doesn't happen if you have it as the first text in your document. It doesn't work that way. Let's be clear. Now when I click on this specific text format, understand that you need to assign this as title of your web page. For this to come as the title of your web page, you need to ensure that this falls under your style, that is your title. What are styles? Styles are right under your home menu. Click on the styles. You have something called title, subtitle. You can create your own styles. This is massively customizable. So this is my style. This tells your Sway application that use this as the title of the document. This one, make sure that you apply the subtitle style. Scroll it down. It understands that it is a subtitle. Otherwise, because I have tried and tested this out with trial and error method, it doesn't work that way. Just text, normal text, it doesn't work. The website need to understand which content needs to be acted as what. So the communication between the formatting here and the website needs to be very smooth so that you have the content structured in a way that you want to display as. Now let's look at further things. How is this getting generated? Get started. Introduction. Okay. What have I formatted as? Click on that, check the style. Always check the style. This is my heading one. So this tells the website generator, okay, use this getting started as the header and introduction as the subheader. The general content, it will just paste it below that. Now let's look at few more limitations that this one has. uh, the biggest one that I found was images. For example, let me take you to a challenge that I faced and was not able to resolve it yet, but I'm still working on that. Yes, let's look at this part. Focus on this point. I have included a navigation image here in between my text, and I hope that this would look just like this in the generated website, but it fails. Let's go. Where is it? It's called create database. Let's go there. Database. I have create database. Look at this. Look at the challenge that I face. The image stands alone. I am unable to wrap it along with my text. In MS Word, I can easily do that. I can just go to the image, right click, wrap settings, and I can remove it from being in line with text to any way I want, in front of the text, behind the text. So I can easily use it as part of my instruction. But here, let's look at the edit options, the formatting options that is here without the MS Word, the independent formatting options that we have within the site. Come to this part, the menu section here. You have share, we'll look at that later. You have your settings, and navigation is straightforward. It just shows you a table of contents. Let's click on edit. So edit takes me to two different looks. One is storyline and design. Let's look. Let's check out what does that entail. Design is nothing but your preview. It shows the preview. This is how your design is going to look, and it allows you to actually edit the content here. Click on something, for example, click here. You click on edit. You can actually edit the content. You can use the limited formatting available: bullets, numbering, hyperlink something. Select. Click on hyperlink. You can just paste the web link here. Accent is nothing but your italicized emphasis. So let's cancel this. Now let's see the difference between design and storyline. Yes, let's move to storyline. For example, my first title, the title that I have for this document or the website is this. Click on details. You can edit, use the minimum formatting. That's it. If you want, you can add a background. You can add a logo here along with this. The formatting is very limited. Maybe this is something that how Microsoft will improve in future. But for now, these are the options you have. Let's go to the part that we faced the issue with the image. Create database. Where was that? Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, right here. If you see this section, it is the reflection of this, the issue that I was talking about. This image was ideally supposed to be right here between the word icon and on, but this generator reads it as something else. It makes it standalone. The image is not part of the instruction. I'm still trying to find a solution. I've tried it. I've not been successful yet. So under the storyline menu, please understand that each of your content style is analyzed. You can go to each of those and edit the way you want. Let's go back to design line. When you talk about images, when I talk about images being a limitation here, it is not an issue if you have an independent image such as this screenshot. This is how I would like it to come up. For example, if you see in the document, I just want it to follow the text. As long as the image follows the text next line, that's not an issue. But image in between the content is not great here. So that's a limitation I found. What else do I need to include here to make your journey smooth, to convert the websites? Yeah, your navigation is smooth. All your chunked data is divided as per the table of contents that you have in your document. So just click and jump. Let's talk about sharing the website. Yeah. Please understand that this is a very light document, so you don't see the and complete exploitation of this feature. We can use it when we have documents ranging from 80 to 150 pages, which is, I feel, the max capacity of MS Word, with a lot of chunk data, a lot of structured content there within TOC. This is helpful, and you can play with the aesthetics. Let's look at styles, then we'll go to the share part. So yeah, you got three different outlooks here. What we see is vertical. Horizontal is nothing but the same thing that moves horizontally. You have your navigation pin here. This is how it would look, your header and your content. And then you have slides. This reminded me mostly about PowerPoint. This is nothing but slides. You can just convert your data to a slide view. Let's bring it back to vertical, the original style. And these are different templates that you can apply. Let's apply something else. This is a set, collection set that takes care of your font and maybe your colors too. Yeah, when your colors are applied as per the style, can we go inside and check this out? Okay. Okay. Yeah, looks horrible, but yes, these are different options that we have, and we can customize as per our needs. This I think would be the most useful one, because we would have color palettes that we need to follow in our organization. Yeah, you've got color palettes here to use. Create on custom, and you can use any of the color codes, hexa codes that you have. Apply those. Yep, that's your color palette. Keep adding, and you will get your own color palette. Font choices, yes, you've got this limited font choices, as well as the animation emphasis. You can try remixing. So you just give the choice to the software. Yeah, it comes up with its own styles. You can apply those. Yeah. Okay. This is one of the remixes it has done. It has used its own backgrounds. Yeah. Looks clean, doesn't it? Yeah. This looks much better. Okay. Okay. This is the limitation we have. Can't focus there. Yeah. Last feature, useful feature is share. Click on that, specify how this is accessible, specific people and groups. Just add their email address, you're good to go. This is limited to the organization. Uh, this is read through the email address. Once you click on this, all the people with your organization's email address will have access to this. Once you click on anyone with the link, this link, this is all you need to share. Just copy this, share it with anyone you want to, and you can even give them edit access. Or if you just want them to view it, limited to view access. What else do we have? You can directly share to some of the social media directly from here. You can password protect. Let's see how this works. Okay, just enter password, set a password, good to go. And you also have a visual link. You can just share this image link, maybe in a email. Click on the image and you jump into this document. Yeah. So this is a feature I felt that was not explored enough by any of the people. I did a quick research. Not a lot of people are using this, and it's not that great as of yet. But yes, if it's a single document or a couple of documents in your organization that you want to look, that you want to be shared in a aesthetic way, this is really useful. But as a content management system, it has a lot of limitations. So this is it as of now. I'll keep exploring. Something comes up, I'll make sure I add it to this tutorial or create a fresh tutorial with much more features to get better results. So yeah, subscribe for more of this, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.